Little Laramie River Valley, Wyoming Territory, 1876. Before winter even arrived. Everyone already thought this man was a fool, because while others rushed to build shelters, he was drawing a perfect circle in the dirt, and that circle would soon save lives. The settlers laughed. They called it wasteful. They called it slow. They said winter doesn't wait for dreams. But Anders wasn't building fast. He was building right. His name was Anders Krugstad, a Norwegian stone mason who understood cold the way predators understand prey, stone by stone. He laid the foundation, slow, precise, silent. What he knew. The others didn't. While others finished their cabins in 6 weeks, Anders spent 4 months stacking walls 2 feet thick. No corners, no weak points. They said he'd freeze before it was finished. By late fall, the house stood alone, round, heavy, unmoving. They called it a lighthouse with no light, a silo with nothing inside. Then winter answered them. The temperature dropped fast. Snow swallowed the valley. Wind began testing every wall, every crack, every mistake, and most cabins failed the test. January 9th, 1887, the Great Die-Up Blizzard, 20 below zero, 60-mile-per-hour winds. The storm didn't knock. It tried to rip homes apart. Inside Anders' house, something impossible happened. The temperature stayed near 50 degrees. People sat in shirt sleeves while the storm screamed outside. The house didn't fight the wind. It let it pass. Nearby cabins cracked. Cold poured through corners. Families huddled, praying the walls would hold. They laughed at the wrong man. When the storm finally passed, wooden cabins stood broken, but the round stone house remained untouched. No flat walls, no pressure points, just intelligence, shaped into stone. What Anders understood was simple. Wind flows, stone holds heat, circles remove weakness. Modern architecture took over 100 years to relearn this lesson. History doesn't reward the loudest builders. Sometimes, it rewards the one everyone laughed at. If you value stories of quiet intelligence beating arrogance, subscribe, because the next story might change how you see the world.